In this video series, we will complete a Revit project in 12 easy steps. Please subscribe to our channel for future updates. We have created our roof in our previous video. Now let's see how we can make a building section in Revit. We are in level 2. Let's open level 1. We will make a section of building from here. Now go to Views ribbon and click on the Section button. Now click here and draw a straight line passing from window and click here. Our section is created. Now select our section line and click on these small cycle arrows to turn on section tail symbol. To open the section, we will double-click on the tip of the section symbol. This is our section view. We can also open our section from the project browser. Here in the building section, it is available. We can see our floor and roof here. Now if we want to see a more detailed section view, we will make some changes. We will click on this detail level button and choose Fine Level Details. Now you can see our cut patterns are applied to walls, floor, and roof. Now let's zoom out a little. If we do not want to see this window in our section, we will change the view depth. Open level 1 and select the section line. These dashed lines are the view depth. Let's change the view depth to here. Now let's click on the section again. We can see that window has disappeared from our view. Now let's change it back to its original position. Now our building section is ready. In the next video, we will see how to add dimensions. What do you think about the video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.